Have you ever wondered why, after 50, your body just doesn't feel the same, even though you're eating right, exercising, and sleeping as best you can? What if I told you it's not just aging, but your body quietly asking for 5 critical things that most people completely ignore, things that could completely transform your energy, strength, and vitality if you give it what it's asking for? And the surprising part is, they're simple, practical, and something you can start today. Stick with me till the end, because I'm going to reveal all 5, and the last one is something almost nobody thinks about, yet it makes more difference than anything else combined. So in this video, I want to share 5 things your body quietly needs after 50. These aren't fads, they're not extreme routines or expensive supplements. They're simple, powerful shifts that can change how you feel in your body every single day. And I promise you, by the end of this video, you'll look at aging very differently. Now let's talk about the first thing your body starts asking for after 50, and this one surprises a lot of people. Your body needs more recovery, not less movement. For years, we're taught that staying active means pushing harder, more workouts, more intensity, more sweat. But after 50, your body isn't impressed by punishment anymore. It's impressed by consistency and recovery. Muscles still grow. Strength still improves. But the repair process takes longer. Hormones like testosterone, estrogen, and growth hormone don't bounce back overnight like they used to. What happens is people either push the same way they did at 30 and end up injured, or they swing to the other extreme and stop moving altogether because everything feels sore. The sweet spot is in the middle. Your body needs intentional recovery just as much as it needs movement. That means rest days aren't lazy days. They're growth days. It means sleep becomes non-negotiable. Not scrolling until midnight, not sacrificing rest for productivity. Deep sleep is when your muscles repair, your brain detoxes, and your metabolism resets. If you're over 50 and struggling with stubborn weight or constant fatigue, sleep is often the missing link. It also means mobility matters more than intensity. Gentle stretching, walking, yoga, light strength training done consistently will do more for your joints and muscles than occasional extreme workouts. Your body is asking you to move with it, not against it. The second thing your body quietly needs after 50 is protein, and not just a little more, but spread out differently throughout the day. Here's something most people don't realize. As we age, our bodies become less efficient at using protein to build and maintain muscle. This process is called anabolic resistance. Basically, your muscles don't respond to protein the way they used to. So eating the same amount you did at 35 doesn't cut it anymore. Muscle is not just about looking toned. Muscle is your metabolic engine. It protects your joints, stabilizes your balance, supports blood sugar control, and even plays a role in brain health. After 50, muscle loss accelerates unless you actively work against it. What your body wants now is regular protein signals throughout the day. Not all at dinner, not skipping breakfast and having a light lunch. It wants steady building blocks. Eggs, fish, chicken, beans, Greek yogurt, tofu, whatever fits your lifestyle. When protein shows up consistently, your body gets the message that it's safe to maintain strength. This is also why people notice they feel weaker or softer, even if their weight hasn't changed. It's not about calories alone anymore. It's about composition. Feeding your muscles tells your body you're not done yet. The third thing your body quietly needs after 50 is strength training, even if you've never lifted a weight in your life. And I know the word strength training scares some people. They picture heavy barbells, gyms full of mirrors, or fear of injury. But strength training after 50 is not about becoming a bodybuilder. It's about staying independent. Every time you sit down and stand up, carry groceries, climb stairs, or cut yourself from falling, you're using strength. Without resistance training, the body naturally sheds muscle each decade, and once muscle is gone, it's much harder to get back. The good news is your body still responds to strength at any age. Even light weights, resistance bands, or bodyweight exercises send a powerful signal to your bones and muscles. Bones, by the way, also need that signal. Strength training helps maintain bone density and reduces the risk of fractures, which becomes increasingly important after 50. Your body isn't asking you to lift heavy, it's asking you to lift smart. 2 or 3 short sessions a week can change how you feel, how you move, and how confident you are in your body. Strength tells your nervous system that you're capable, stable, and resilient. Now, the fourth thing your body quietly needs after 50 is something we almost never talk about in fitness spaces, and that's blood sugar stability. As we age, our cells become less sensitive to insulin. This means blood sugar spikes happen more easily and come down more slowly. Even if you've never had diabetes or been told you're pre-diabetic, unstable blood sugar can show up as energy crashes, cravings, mood swings, belly fat, and brain fog. Your body is asking for balance, not restriction. It wants meals that combine protein, healthy fats, and fiber. It wants fewer naked carbs that spike sugar quickly and more whole foods that digest slowly. This doesn't mean you can never enjoy bread or fruit or dessert again. It means timing and pairing matter more now. A walk after meals becomes incredibly powerful. Just 10 minutes of movement after eating can significantly improve blood sugar response. When blood sugar is stable, everything works better. Energy feels smoother. Hunger cues become clearer. Sleep improves. And inflammation goes down. Your body isn't yelling for sugar anymore because it finally feels supported. The fifth thing your body quietly needs after 50 is something that's easy to overlook but incredibly important, and that's nervous system regulation. Stress hits the body differently as we age. Cortisol, the stress hormone, sticks around longer. Recovery takes more time. Chronic stress quietly drains your energy, weakens immunity, disrupts sleep, and even encourages fat storage around the midsection. Your body is asking for moments of calm, not just vacations or occasional breaks, but daily signals of safety. Deep breathing, time outdoors, laughter, meaningful connection. Even slowing down your eating can send a calming message to your nervous system. When you're constantly rushed, tense, or overwhelmed, your body stays in survival mode. In that state, it doesn't want to build muscle, burn fat, or heal. It wants to protect. When you give it calm, it finally feels safe enough to thrive. This is why two people can eat the same foods and exercise the same way, but get very different results. One body feels safe, the other feels stressed. After 50, this difference becomes even more noticeable. Now I want to bring this all together, because none of these things work in isolation. Your body isn't broken, it's adaptive, it's intelligent. It's responding to the signals you send it every day. After 50, the signals need to be clearer and kinder. More recovery, enough protein, strength with intention, balanced blood sugar, a regulated nervous system. When those needs are met, something incredible happens. Energy comes back, pain decreases, confidence improves. You start trusting your body again. Aging doesn't mean shrinking your life. It means upgrading how you care for yourself. The body you're in right now is capable of far more than you've been told. It just needs the right support. If this message resonated with you, take a moment to listen to your body today, not with fear, but with curiosity. What has it been quietly asking for? And if you found value in this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who needs to hear this. We're redefining what healthy aging looks like, and it starts with conversations like this. Remember, getting older is inevitable. Feeling old is not.